Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best eyeglasses cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked accessories, yet it plays a crucial role in maintaining clear vision and protecting your investment. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of eyeglasses cleaners, exploring the best options available to keep your lenses sparkling and your vision crystal clear. We'll cover everything from the different types of cleaners to the key features you should look for, ensuring you make the right choice for your specific needs. Number 5. CareTouch Lens Wipes, Eyeglasses, Sunglasses, and Screens. Introducing CareTouch Lens Wipes. This pack comes with 210 pre-moistened wipes, each individually wrapped for your convenience. It's perfect for keeping with you for on-the-go cleaning. These wipes feature a fast-drying and streak-free formula. They effectively clean your glasses, screens, and coated lenses, leaving no residue behind. It ensures a clear view every time. The soft material of these lens wipes guarantees gentle cleaning. They are designed for delicate surfaces like glasses and camera lenses, without causing any scratches or damage. You can use it with confidence. Each wipe measures 5 by 6 inches, making it suitable for larger surfaces. It's convenient for cleaning tablets, smartphones, and eyeglass lenses. It's a versatile solution for all your optical devices. These individually wrapped lens wipes are easy to carry. The compact design makes them ideal for quick, portable cleaning solutions. Whether it's eyeglasses, smartphones, or sunglasses, it's always ready to use. What we like? These wipes come individually wrapped, making them perfect for on-the-go use. The fast-drying formula ensures a streak-free clean, and the soft material is gentle on your lenses. If you're always on the move and need a quick, convenient cleaning solution, you should consider these. What people say. They leave my phone nice and clean without leaving that annoying foggish wetness after. They are packaged well, so I haven't had problems with them drying out. They seem to have about the right amount of fluid to clean 1 or 2 pairs of glasses, if you move quickly for the second pair. I frequently clean my glasses, then hand the towelette to my wife to clean hers, which is pretty economical. Number 4. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. This is the perfect solution for keeping your screens and lenses spotless. It's made from high-quality microfiber, designed to gently lift away dirt and smudges. You'll be amazed by the results. This cloth is designed to absorb and remove dust, oil, and fingerprints. It leaves no scratches or streaks behind, ensuring a crystal clear view. It is the perfect accessory for anyone who values clarity. This cloth is safe for all delicate surfaces. Use it on your glasses, phone, laptop, or any other screen. It's gentle yet effective, providing the best care for your devices. Each cloth comes in its own poly bag, ensuring it's always clean and ready to use. This pack includes 6 cloths, so you'll always have one on hand. It's the perfect gift for anyone. Get magical results for the things you care about most. This cloth provides a streak-free clean every time. It's the simple solution for a clearer, brighter world. What we like? These cloths are made from premium microfiber, ensuring effective cleaning without scratches. They are designed for versatile use on various surfaces, from glasses to screens. If you like a reusable and eco-friendly option for all your cleaning needs, you should consider these. What people say. These are high quality, a good size, and are better than I expected. Great for cleaning our iPads, phones, glasses, laptops, etc. They're incredibly effective for cleaning glasses, screens, laptops, tablets, and phones, leaving everything crystal clear with 0 streaks. They come in nice plastic packs where the cloth can safely be put back into so as not to get too dirty. Really nice when you are working with things that just need a slight wipe. Prevents dust from getting on the cloth. Softness is about perfect, and it just works. Number 3. CarbonKlean Peeps Glasses Cleaner. Tired of smudges? This innovative cleaner uses carbon microfiber technology to make your glasses sparkle. It's the secret to seeing the world with crystal clarity. Did you know NASA uses similar technology? This lens cleaning kit can clean your lenses up to 500 times. It's a trusted solution for a reason. This compact cleaner is designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. Its small size makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag, so you can always have clean glasses. This cleaner is safe for all types of glasses. Whether it's eyeglasses, sunglasses, or reading glasses, it will get the job done. It's a versatile solution for all your lens cleaning needs. Say goodbye to traditional lens cleaning hassles. This groundbreaking technology provides a streak-free clean. Experience the difference and enjoy a clearer view. What we like. This cleaner utilizes carbon microfiber technology, providing a superior clean. It's the same technology used by NASA, ensuring top-notch performance. If you are looking for a high-tech, compact cleaner that delivers exceptional results, you should consider it. What people say. This compact little tool works efficiently to remove smudges, fingerprints, and dirt from my lenses without leaving any streaks behind. The carbon-based cleaning pads work magic and last for a long time without losing their effectiveness. So easy to use, and glasses are clean with a single swipe, no spray needed, no special cloth needed, and when you're done it fits in your pocket or purse. Number 2. ZEISS Lens Cleaning Wipes, 200 count. These pre-moistened wipes are designed to gently clean your glasses and lenses. They are perfect for everyday use and will leave your lenses sparkling. You can safely use it on lenses with anti-reflective coatings or prescription lenses. It is designed to protect your investment while providing a clear view. This product effectively cleans your lenses without leaving any streaks or residue behind. It ensures a clear and unobstructed view every time you use it. The wipes are guaranteed not to scratch your glasses or lenses. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your lenses are protected while being cleaned. Each wipe is individually wrapped, making it easy to carry with you. This allows you to clean your lenses on the go, anytime and anywhere. What we like. These pre-moistened wipes are gentle and safe for all lenses, including those with anti-reflective coatings. They clean effectively without leaving any streaks or residue. If you need a convenient and reliable cleaning solution that is safe for your expensive glasses, you should consider these. What people say. I have been using these for almost 4 years. I love them. My glasses never get scratched using these. I also clean my cell phone screen and camera lenses. They clean well but dry fast after using. The streak resistance is very important to me. I hate looking through dirty glasses. Love the individually wrapped lens cleaner. I keep a couple in my daily handbag, also in my work tote. I've used them on all my glasses. They clean very well without leaving any streaks or cloudy film. I've also used them on my laptop screen and my iPhone screen. They are very convenient, easy to slip a few into a purse for use anytime, and the sealed envelope keeps the wipe moist. They do a great job. Number 1. Elite Tech Gear Microfiber Cloth, 4-pack. This is the perfect solution for keeping your screens and lenses clean. It's made of high-tech material that removes smudges and fingerprints with ease. This cloth is a must-have accessory for your everyday life. Say goodbye to streaks and marks with this microfiber cloth. It cleans with very little pressure, making it easy to use on any surface. The soft, yet durable material ensures a scratch-free clean. The oversized design makes it easy to clean both large and small surfaces. Whether it's your glasses or your phone screen, this cloth has you covered. It's the perfect size for any cleaning task. Each cloth comes in its own individual packaging. This makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. It's the perfect accessory for on-the-go cleaning. These cloths are environmentally friendly, reusable, and quick-drying. They are designed to last and can be easily hand-washed. Use the video demonstration to learn how to care for them. We are committed to providing unmatched customer service and quality products. This product is backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We won't disappoint you. What we like. These cloths are oversized, making them ideal for cleaning larger surfaces. They are also reusable and washable, promoting sustainability. If you are looking for a durable, eco-friendly, and versatile cleaning solution, you should consider them. What people say. Cleans really well without streaking and no lint left behind. I like a larger cleaning cloth, and these are perfect and clean with a quick swipe. Nice size, and love the fact they are individually packaged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.